Today's project is a big one. Organizing, decluttering my utility room. I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and get this load of laundry in and get this process started.
It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. I'm the average girl from your video, and I ain't built like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen.
Hey loves, it's your girl LavishlyBritt. I guess you can say I'm in nesting mode, but as you know, we just moved, so I'm still in get this house together mode. So today's project, which is a big one, but I think I can do it though. You know, less than 2 months to go in counting, but you know, we gonna get it done by any means necessary because I refuse to bring my new baby Ursa to chaos. The world's doing enough of that. But in today's video, I'm finally going to be organizing, decluttering my utility room. Now, as y'all know, I moved and I've been wanting one of these rooms for the longest. This is probably one of the rooms I was excited about when we decided to purchase this house because I'm like, I no longer have to walk through the laundry room to get into the house. To each his own. But that really bothered me a lot because I'm always coming in the house with kids, groceries, purses, things, you name it. Humans in my tummy. It was too much. But now I have my own utility room, and as you all know, I love organization, storage baskets, containers, all of that jazz. So today I'm going to be organizing all of this. Some things have just been thrown around here in this utility room, so I'm going to be taking the time to actually go through things, figure out where I want things, and just show you all the overall process of how I like to organize. If you came from Instagram or TikTok, then you know I typically don't talk in those videos. I'm just kind of showing you and giving you inspiration. But here on YouTube, I want to do more and explain the steps, my logic, how things operate for me and my family. And you just have to understand that everyone is different. So in here I have a number of drawers. I have about, you can see 3 of these smaller ones. Yeah, that's got some random things in it already. Like I said, I don't know what's in these drawers. Some things I just threw in here when we were moving to get them out the way. I already have some things thrown in here as far as like organization, but I've already ordered more. I'm actually waiting on my Instacart orders to get here because I live in Texas. It's hot. I'm not trying to be out here in the heat. I have been buying a few things and accumulating those to like use to organize, but for the most part, I ordered the bulk of things today that I know, like in my head, yes, I need that, I can use that, it'll function. But this drawer size, there's 2 of these, and then there's 2 more of the smaller like ones on this side that's right under the camera that you can't see. But yeah, I have these 2 big shelves, which are going to be like a highlight of my laundry room. I'm probably not going to complete it today, but as far as what I got, everything that's in here will have a place today. And that's really the goal for me because in here right now, I am not feeling it. So one of the first things I will always suggest before you ever start really buying things is get you a handy dandy measuring tape, sis, and start measuring the size. Cabinets, shelves, drawers, you need to know the height, the depth, and the width of them and buy according to that size. So this part might take you some time. I actually spend quite a bit of time on this step, especially when I'm ordering stuff or even going to the store. I spend time making sure I know my measurement. Once you get better at it and you've done it enough, you can kind of eyeball it a little bit. I'm getting there only with smaller things because baby, measurements are not my forte. And shop around. I have 2 places in particular that I really always go to shop, and that will be Target and the Container Store. The Container Store being more expensive, Target being way more reasonable. But with that, find you some baskets. The brand that I love from Target is the Bright Room. Don't sleep on them, sis. They're affordable, they're cute, they function really well. I honestly love them for their organizational things. If I'm not going for something in particular, I will typically get it from Target versus the Container Store. Also have Amazon as a great option, but if I'm being honest, I'm very impulsive when it comes to, ooh, I'm gonna organize this and I need something immediately. I can Instacart everything from Target or the Container Store and get what I need to get done quick, fast, in a hurry. So that's typically why I shop those stores. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start a load of laundry, and then we're gonna get to just putting things in categories, sweeping, wiping things down, and getting this process started because it takes quite a bit, and I'm trying to get this done in less than 4 hours. Let me know if you think I can do it. If you don't already, make sure you follow me over at TikTok and Instagram at LavishlyBritt. That's my handles on all platforms. It makes it easy. I'm always gonna be easy to find if you need me. So I got everything put away into the washer and dryer, and that's going. But got my Target Instacart order, so I'm about to go grab those things so I can see what I got and start figuring out how I'm labeling things and where things are gonna go. All right, so I got everything in the house. I have one more order on the way. That Instacart order shopper wasn't doing what I needed them to do. They didn't find some of the major pieces that I needed, so I'm gonna have to search around the house to see if I have some of the items that they claimed they didn't have. Now that I got that stuff in the house, I'm going to start really just probably putting stuff in categories. Yep, I think that's my best bet. Start getting some stuff off the shelves, placing baskets where they need to go, and then I'll be able to just quickly throw them in the bag. Scratch that. I don't know why I'm going against my norm, which is to basically remove everything out of here so I have a clean slate, then bring in my containers, and then put stuff away. When you try to cheat the system, it bites you in the butt. With that being said, I'm gonna take out everything. I'm gonna put all of my containers in one corner in one spot so I can keep up with them, and then everything else I'm going to take out, put in a basket, and kind of keep them in a category of like, I immediately know where these goes. These I have to put some thought into. I am so out of breath. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm not 7 months pregnant. But anyways, here we are. These are my baskets that just got here from the Container Store. I'm hoping they work and they look phenomenal in this space because they are like the focal point. I'm about to work on putting things in categories so it's up and out the way, and then we can really get to organizing, because once this is done, things move a lot quicker.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still.
Now that I've gotten the majority of the stuff cleared off the shelves, first thing I like to do is clean the counters, the shelves, all that things where I'm gonna be placing things, because it just makes it a lot easier to have a clean surface. I don't know about you all and what you like to use to clean, but I'm currently using this brand, Miss Myers, in the honeysuckle scent. I'm always like that type of person that's willing to try new products, specifically in cleaning and things like that kind of category. Now when it comes to my skin, baby, that's a different story. I ain't reached that level of fearlessness. Cleaning products, I'm always trying something new. I've cycled through a bunch of different brands, and I'm always just looking for something better and cleaner, and sometimes a little more easily accessible. You know, I'm not picky, but I do want to use some of the better products because I have a family, a growing one at that. All right, so now that I got this area clean, the first thing I like to do is place my baskets, because that's gonna let me know exactly what I'm gonna start putting in what, and what makes sense, what's gonna function well for my family. I just think better that way. I love the baskets. They have nice character. I like that they're a little bit different, but the same at the same time. So I ordered 6 of these, and I knew initially I was probably gonna put 4 up here, and I like how that looks. 3, I was like, eh, with the character of them, I just thought it didn't. I mean, it can work. I typically do like things kind of in the 3 pair, but again, function. So I have 2 additional baskets that I have that I can make something do what it do. So I'm thinking about putting these up top. And up top we're gonna most likely put the things that I don't need as often. Like, for example, maybe something like just tissue. Like if you blow your nose with. And maybe mix and match in some other baskets that I have, because I do have a few other baskets that I can work with. These black weave ones, or these water, is it Hyacinth? I don't know. Granted, by the time this video goes up, I probably would have decided. I'm probably kind of leaning towards the black ones, just because they're a little smaller, a little more discreet, versus these I think will function better in some of these cabinets to hold some products and things.
Stepping on your roller coaster, going down, but I never felt this high.
So here's my dilemma. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to send these back, buy these instead. I actually had a few of these left. The only reason I didn't opt to go with these originally is because they are rounded and I prefer the 90-degree angle. Just because products sit in these better. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to order more of these, use them above in like these type of cabinets, because then I can actually keep things that I don't want the kids to easily get to away from them. These just, the door's shut but they're not flush, and that bothers me. It's just this very tiny little edge on these that is basically hindering this process, and I've dealt with that before with some of the other containers from Bright Room, and I forgot to take into account the little edge part. So tell me what you would do. I'm honestly just pretty much positive that I'm gonna go this route, because I do want things that are like spray that they can easily pour out, get into their eyes, do all those things up and away from them, and then use these containers down below where I see fit that makes sense. Where baskets. While I decide on that, I'm actually just start putting things in these cabinets in their particular places that they would go. I need to know exactly how many I really realistically need, and not just buy baskets just to have it. And the quicker I get this done, the sooner I can get that order here today and not have to drag this video on or take too long. Laundry products go. I'm going to put those here to go closest to the washer and dryer. It makes the most sense. Does OxyClean expire? By the way, I'm not really using candles anymore, guys, so I've come up with a different solution to keep my home smelling good, and I'll be sharing that in the future. Stain removers. Clorox is probably gonna have its own section. I don't use dry sheets anymore, so I can toss that. So things that help me organize is using sticky pads, notepads, and I write on them what exactly I'm putting where. I have been thinking long and hard about what to do with these cubby holes, because I didn't really want to put products here because, again, accessible to kids, it just didn't seem to be a functioning thing that I was looking for. But finally came up with the perfect solution, because I was trying to figure out where to put baskets so when you're done with laundry, so you can fold up your stuff, da-da-da-da-da. I figured it out, y'all. Granted, the size isn't typically the size basket that I would have typically gone for. It's gonna work. And these baskets were like $5 each from Target, so they go. I can fit a few in the cubbies, so this is perfect for me. I actually plan to probably pick up a few more, just because it is 3 kids, soon to be 2, 3 adults, 6 people in this house. We go through a lot of laundry. But yes, I think this looks phenomenal. It's seamless, the white on white. I like it. Sage, put it over here.
Oh, she went. Oh, wow.
Here.
more time. I passed it. You are yeah.
I've been working tirelessly on the back end trying to piece together how I really want this to look, like the final touches and things. As you all know, I had to place another order to Target and that just got here. These baskets are phenomenal. I found that they hold up really, really well. Needed things. I must say, I actually used Ship It for, this order from Target. And I will say those people are just incredible. The way they actually think to pack stuff so nothing breaks, because I've ordered glass a number of times from Ship It and it always comes in pristine condition. These weren't the ones I really wanted. I wanted some glass jars from the Container Store, but my Instacart person said that they were out of all of the ones that I wanted. So I had to, switch it up and go with these from Target. But they're a clean look, which is simply what I wanted. The other jars look just like this except for a black top. So now I can really just start putting on the final touches, the things that I feel like is really just gonna clear up a lot of stuff. I love how when you're cleaning, it's like you make a mess, you clean it up, you make a little bit more mess because you're like figuring out where you want things to go. I have been thinking about whether I was going to actually label all these baskets, and I do believe I am. I think it's the smartest thing to do for everybody's sake, because I hate being asked, where's this, where's that, where's this, where's this, there. We're just gonna eliminate all of that now. Okay, so I'm reaching the final stages of this organizational video, and basically now it's gonna come down to more of the cosmetic type things, and that's really my favorite part, which is like putting things in containers and making it cute. These were the jars that I was able to find today. So I have a few things that I want to put in them, being these things. I'm using some new things as well as some old things. I haven't decided if I'm going to spray paint this black. It's heavy, it's marble. I feel like I shouldn't. Ooh. This baby is heavy. Really, this is just going to function as a lazy Susan, so you can easily grab whatever you need from on top. I can't juggle.
The park and a few gray stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all.